GoHighLevel is not just for agencies or marketers anymore. It becoming a game changer for real estate agencies too. In this video, I will show you how to use GoHighLevel for real estate so you can capture more leads, follow up automatically, and close more deals without spending hours on manual work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and check the description for the link to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. So the first thing you want to do is set up your pipeline, right? So you have to be on your dashboard and just click on this opportunity, and you can see there is option for the pipeline. Basically, this is the place where all of your leads go and organized by stage, like the new lead. If I open this, you can see there are the stage for your leads. So let's close this and just let's move this to here. So basically this is the place where all of your leads go and organized by stages, like new lead, contacted, or property tour, or like how you can make your pipeline. You can see all of things like the closing deal or the own. So once your pipeline is ready, every new lead that comes in automatically moves to the right stage. So you can see exactly where each client is in the process, and it saves you from chasing things manually. Now next thing, you need to way to capture lead, and for that you have to make the funnel. So just move to the sites here. So GoHighLevel makes things easier with its funnel and landing pages. For example, you can create multiple steps for your landing page. Let's say you want to make finding a dream home, so you can make pages where people fill their details. So as soon as someone submit the form, they are automatically added to the CRM and they get a thank you mail and you get notified instantly. So no more losing leads through the random forms or social media messages. So if I click here, you can see you can make this kind of steps for different funnel. Okay, so that's it basically for the funnel building. Now once leads are coming in, follow up is key. This is the place where you have to use the automation. So just click on this and you can see we are in the workflow right now. So you can set up automatic text, email, or nurture your leads. For instance, a message like, hey, thanks for the checking out your listing. So would you like to schedule a quick call? You can go immediately. So you can create that automatically. So if I show you, okay, so I'm just opening, let's say this. So like this, you can create a automation. If you want, then you can add more steps here and you can filter things. So we are not going to show that. So we are just here to figure out like what you can do with this. Now we have another thing, which is the booking appointments. You can do also like here, let's say you want to add a booking appointment, then you can search for the appointment booking. Okay, book appointment, and you can set the like date, time, and each and everything. So you can manage all of this thing and you can save the action. So you can do each and everything what you want and what you think in your mind. Now you can also use GoHighLevel to send the broadcast message to your buyers or sellers. Maybe a new opportunity is just hit the market, a quick email or text you can send them. So finally, after dealing all the clauses, GoHighLevel can automatically request review from your client. So to do that, let's say on the dashboard, and just you have to move here the reputation, and you can send the request for the review to your client. So in short, GoHighLevel keeps all your lead, follow-up, appointments, and reviews in one place. It is start small, but you can try one funnel and one workflow and expand as you go. So it's a real time saver and a serious boost for your growing real estate business in the present time. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for free, check the link from the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.